back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. This is a very special collab video with the Wig Company, and I am doing a review and an upstyled sort of demo on this wig, and her name is New Rhythm. Unfortunately, I lost the beginning part of the clips of me just putting the wig on for the first time, but I do have the unboxing clips. And you can see videos of this wig and different information on my Instagram. Also, down below we'll have all of the information of where to buy, price, and all that. So let's get to the unboxing. This is called the Statements line from the Wig Company. And we have Miss New Rhythm, and she's in the color F33 263 average cap size. Again, 33 is usually like a brown auburn. 263, I'm not positive what 263 would be in their line. Maybe something blondish. Ooh. So this is another one that's packaged inside out. Let's clip this stuff off of here. This is a oh, forgot the name. This is a gorgeous sort of caramely honey color. I do love the fact that they have their little logo and behind it has the cap size. A lot of places don't do that. And also it has the name on here with the color. I think that's awesome. Ooh. Okay, look at that color. Oh my gosh, it would go so well. So this is, again, not a lace front, and there's no combs, no adjustable straps. There are actually Velcro adjustable straps. This is super cute. I'm excited to see what I can do with these. So yeah, I just want to share the unboxing process. I'm so grateful that the Wig Company reached out to me and wanted to collab, and I can't wait to review these. I'm just so excited. Okay, I am going to do a little styling of this, and then I will do my final thoughts. Okay. This cute little like faux updo. I think this is adorable. I also really feel like this makes me want to cut the bottom off and just do like a stack situation. I actually really love this wig. I think this would be great. Like if you're going to something a little bit special, you could put like a fancy little decoration in the hair. But it's like the updo that you don't even have to like worry about. See if we look in the back there, you know, I just sort of pinned those extra pieces up as if, you know, you were pinning up your own hair in the back. Give a little volume right there. And like, it's the cutest little thing. You know, it's like for maybe a fancier occasion. I would maybe give a little more volume here and pin this so that it actually looks like, yeah, there you go. Let me pin one more pin in so it actually looks as if there was, you know, sort of a ponytail situation going, not a ponytail, but an actual updo. Yeah, where you feel like there his hair pinned up. You could maybe even put some like flowers in here. That's what I would probably do, is maybe put a few flowers in there, like if it was like a wedding situation. Like, do I have flowers or something? Hold on. Okay, so I used the flower, like you could use faux flowers for sure. I used flowers for my boyfriend because he's a great guy and one of the people that gets me flowers. I just put them in like a bobby pin and just put them up, but I just want to show you how this could look like a super pretty like updo and you're going to a party or whatever. So yeah, I really like New Rhythm and I love this color. If you have any other the Wig Company wigs that you would like me to review, please put that down below. Know that there is another review coming for another wig. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye!